doTERRA's lemon essential oil is different from any other lemon essential oils you can find on a store shelf. Find out why. doTERRA's lemon essential oil is known for all things cleansing. Lemons can be found all over the world, but that doesn't mean that it has the best chemical composition to make an essential oil. That's why doTERRA farms their lemon essential oil from the highest region in Sicily, Italy, from family farmers who are artisans at their craft. This area was in economic downturn and many of the farmers were closing. However, doTERRA decided to partner with these incredible family farmers so they could stay open and keep their family farms and traditions while also providing the highest chemical constituent essential oil on the market. A study by Korean scientists concluded that lemon essential oil improved measures of cardiovascular health due to its powerful antioxidant properties. Lemon is a powerful cleansing agent that purifies the air in the surfaces and can be used as a non-toxic cleanser throughout the home. It's also great for naturally cleansing the body and aids in digestion when used internally. It's also great as a natural glue gun to get sticky things off surfaces. If you want to learn my favorite ways to use lemon essential at home, make sure to check out my video.